Time to show you some pictures of what must surely be a terrifying moment for any airline passenger when they're asked to use the emergency exits. And no, this is not a practice drill. Well, the landing gear of a Boeing 737 burst into flames on the runway after landing at Moscow's Vnukovo airport, forcing around 140 passengers to escape via chutes. Well, you can just see them coming out there. Well, emergency crews quickly managed to bring the flames under control. Well, the aircraft had travelled from the southern city of Stavropol. There were no reports of injuries, but the airport was closed temporarily, and you can see the flurry of people, no doubt shocked about what happened, and of course that Russian airport temporarily closed.